that there's supposed to be Islamic tradition that after having a child, you should wait. It's best to wait 2 years till for the next child. Is there truth in it, or?
I think altogether it is inferred from some verses of the Holy Quran that the difference between the two children should be around 3 years, not 2 years. This has been worked out by Hazrat Muslim on the basis of Salasuna Shahra and some other factors involved, and it was his committed advice to the Jamaat that they should not go for carrying children earlier than 3 years. But he at the same time made it clear that it is not forbidden. It's advisable. So they're two different things altogether. So in your case, it is just advisable. If you want to have another child every year, it's entirely up to you.
Exactly.
See?